Thanks a lot for having me here. Yes, so as introduction, the web contains lots of structured data. There are data portals offering plenty of statistical data, economic data, research data. So one example is such a COVID-19 portal, which collects all data sets from scientists working on investigating this disease. There are also web APIs, so lots of Web 2.0 sites offer APIs, also lots of public data sets. There's Music Brains and there's OpenStreetMap on the slides, offer APIs, so we can query the data sets and get the data that we are interested in. There's also the web of data, where large numbers of web pages have started to semantically annotate their content, to put some JSON LD in their pages, to use schema org terms to mark up the content of their pages. So that's widely spread, for instance, in e-commerce. So lots of web shops mark up their offers in order to be understood by search engines like Google, or for local businesses, they usually mark up the content of their web pages in order to properly be displayed on maps. So there's plenty of structured data on the web that we could use for applications, for instance, for some research, or for, let's say, in e-commerce, some price comparison application where we want to combine offers from multiple web sites. So as long as we are using only data from a single source, things are easy. Once we start combining data from multiple sources, things get more tricky, and we need to go through the data integration process, which conceptually has several phases. So there's the data discovery phase, where we select the data sets we are interested in, or we select the records from the data sets that might be relevant for our integration task. Then there is a schema matching and data translation phase, where we look at the schemas of the different data sources, try to understand the terms, map them to a target schema, and then translate the data into this target schema. Once we have translated the data, we can start looking at individual records and try to cluster all records from all sources that talk about the same real-world entity. That's entity matching, and it's the step before our final step at data fusion.